3, 4 sad.
Tony, are you ready?
Da.
The word for holiday is praznik.
Praznik.
Right. So it's kind of a day of no work, a day of no chores. Praznik.
Praznik.
It's kind of every day for Tony D, right?
Yeah. Which we normally call Friday.
Yeah. No.
Yeah. Not so much. That'd be nice. We don't really do much prazniks here in the United States. That's for sure. Okay,
Water my plants.
Okay,
there you
we
go.
have the word for festival is festival.
Oh, that's confusing.
You better get that one next time on the quiz.
Spelled the exact almost.
Yes.
Yeah, it's spelled the same.
So
Festival.
festival and super are the words that Tony D should never get wrong.
Yeah. Festival.
Let's not put it past him, though. Festival. Bravo. So you'll have, like Christmas festivals around town, lights, getting together, music, the usual, but cold, bundled up.
Mm-hmm.
Bundled up.
Like DJ Mo.
Just like us in the garage right now.
Yeah,
with our beanies
seriously.
on. The word for Christmas tree. We got two different ways to say it. It's actually one of them I've never heard before. So let's stick with the first one for now. The word for Christmas tree is Jelka.
Jelka.
Yeah. Christmas tree is Jelka.
Jelka.
So the next word is actually two words. The next way to say it is božićno drvce.
Božićno drvce.
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 So božić is Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
So basically božićno, they made the adjective out of it. Božićno, a describing word. Drvo is the word for wood. So božićno drvce. Drvce is the Christmas wood. Not so much. But that's why Jelka is such a nice way to go by it.
Jelka.
Less giggles from Tony D over there. So Jelka, Christmas tree. Let's move on. You got a snowman. Did you guys ever build snowmen?
Yeah.
I've never been around snow for Christmas time. Tony
No.
D?
Yeah, I've made my way to snow so that I can either sled,
Got it.
inner tube, or build a snowman.
A snowman is snjegović.
Snjegović.
Right. It kind of sounds like a character,
Yeah.
right? Like a guy's Johnny Snjegović. Snjegović.
I think I went to high school with that guy.
Yes, it's true. He graduated early.
Snjegović.
Snjegović. Right? And we have the
He was in my
word.
Spanish class.
Nice. The word for reindeer is sob.
Sob.
Who's the most famous sob?
Dasher.
Come on.
Dancer. Prancer.
Dixon? Rudolph.
Donner. Oh. Rudolph.
Oh, you're not too very excited about Rudolph there, Tony D.
He's played out.
What do you got
Yeah.
against Rudolph?
He's overrated. He's got that red nose. I mean,
How
Boy,
else,
it's
you,
like shining, it's
how
so
else are you going to
bright.
see it
it's
at night?
too bright.
You got headlights on reindeer now?
Yeah.
The word for reindeer is sob.
Sob.
Not a very common word. I'm not sure if there's reindeer in Croatia. That'd be fun.
Yeah.
Probably just up north only. The word for this word's definitely for Tony. Toys. The word for toys, Tony, is igračke.
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 Tony is a man of igračke.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of igračke on your house, right, Tony?
Sure do.
Talk to them.
Often. Da.
You have your morning igračke. You have your afternoon igračke.
Yes.
Yes. Igračke.
Igrač.
Every kid wants
Igračke.
igračke. They don't want socks. They want underwear. They want sweaters.
No clothes for sure.
Yeah. Well, that's when you become an adult. You're like, oh, you're totally getting socks
Yep.
and pens.
Here's a beanie and scarf.
Yes. Igračke.
Igračke.
Let's try that again. Igračke.
Igračke.
Bravo. Igračke.
Igračke.
Super. Okay, Tony, you want to do this all from the top. Ready? The word for holiday is praznik.
Praznik.
Bravo. Praznik. The word for festival is festival.
Festival.
So a famous festival, music festival back in the day was the Splitski Festival. The rock and roll, basically all types of music happened on the waterfront in Split. Very beautiful.
That
Happening
sounds cool.
for ages. Festival.
Festival.
The word for Christmas tree. Let's do this. Let's do the only one. Let's do Christmas tree is Jelka.
Jelka.
Bravo. The word for snowman, snjegović.
Snjegović.
Yeah, bravo. The word for reindeer is sob.
Sob.
The word for toys is igračke.
Igračke.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
And smash that like button.